subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Hello guys, welcome to another video session from Careers Biology. From today onwards, I'm happy to say that I'm going to start a series of videos to help the 10th class biology students prepare for their upcoming public examinations. So I hope that you like these videos and regularly follow the videos. So our today's topic of discussion is the burning issue nowadays, which is COVID-19. And there are expectations that you may be asked, write some slogans about COVID-19. Okay, so that is why I have made this video, to really help you learn some slogans on this topic. So let us enter into the topic. The first slogan is social distancing for social well-being. I repeat, social distancing for social well-being. It is a well-known fact that the spread of COVID-19 can be stopped if you maintain physical distancing. You know that we have to maintain a distance of nearly 2 meters from person to person, and which is very helpful for stopping the spread of the disease COVID-19. Okay, so that's why social distancing is much important. So I have made a slogan on this: social distancing for social well-being. When you maintain social distancing, all the people in the society will be safe and healthy. Now slogan 2, self-hygiene to save the world from COVID-19. Let me repeat, self-hygiene to save the world from COVID-19. Self-hygiene to save the world from COVID-19. So doctors are stressing the importance of self-hygiene. You need to use sanitizers, masks and everything. When you use it, your family will be safe, you will be safe, and the world together will be a safe place to live. And slogan 3, say no to shake hand, namaste is the new trend. I repeat, say no to shake hand, namaste is the new trend. So this is one more slogan that I have prepared. Already we have been following this in India for ages. And nowadays, all the other countries also, they are coming to know the importance of Indian culture, especially saying namaste by putting your hands together. You are not touching the hands of another person. So there is no possibility that you may be getting the contagious diseases. So that's why say no to shake hand, namaste is the new trend. We need to feel very proud about India that we are following this namaste since ages. And slogan 4, stay in self-isolation and save your loved ones from COVID infection. I repeat, stay in self-isolation and save your loved ones from COVID infection. Once again, let me repeat, stay in self-isolation and save your loved ones from COVID infection. The meaning of this slogan is that if at all, by chance, if you are infected with the COVID-19, I pray God that nobody will get infected by that, but by chance if you are get infected, you must self-isolate yourself so that your loved ones, especially your family members, will be saved from infection and they will be safer. So once you get a doubt that you might be getting the symptoms, it is always better to stay in self-isolation to stop the spread of the infection to your family members and also to the world. Slogan 5 that I have prepared is, there is no confusion, self-hygiene is the only solution. There is no confusion, self-hygiene is the only solution. And this also the doctors keep telling us always, that if you maintain self-hygiene, there is no confusion at all. You need not worry about whether medicine is there or not. You need not worry about the vaccination. We just have to maintain self-hygiene. So altogether, if all the people in this world take a decision to maintain the self-hygiene and follow the instructions given by the doctors strictly, then we can save ourselves, our family members, and our world as a whole. Now come to slogan 6. The slogan 6 is self-isolation saves the world from COVID infection. So this is a similar type of slogan which you have seen earlier. When you are suspicious about any other person or yourself that you would be getting infection, then it will be better that you will be self-isolated so that your family members will be safe, and also all the other people in the society and the world as a whole will be a safer place. Now slogan 7. Time to be a superhero, stay home and make Corona zero. I repeat, time to be a superhero, stay home and make Corona zero. So you need not do anything to be a superhero nowadays. Just stay home. If you stay home, the number of cases will gradually come down. And if you take all the precautions given by the doctors, then eventually the number of corona cases will come down, and someday or the other day, the number of cases may become zero. Again, the world will be a happy and safer place for us to survive. Slogan 8. Corona warriors are the real saviors. So without appreciating the efforts of these great people, because of whom we are now feeling safer. And who are they? These are the doctors. nurses, pharmacists, and all the other paramedical staff. Without appreciating the efforts that they are putting in to save the society from corona, we cannot simply get away. Okay, so I have made a slogan for them. So this last slogan is dedicated to all that great frontliners or great heroes, in my opinion. So let me repeat the slogan once again. Corona warriors are the real saviors. Corona warriors are the real saviors. Let me repeat once again. Corona warriors are the real saviors. So thank you very much. Stay home, stay safe, and save your lives. Thank you for watching this video.